I'm sure you didn't know this information, so listen. Soda, a household item that everyone has in their home and packaging of which is always recognizable. In fact, soda is just a magical thing. Tested personally from my own experience and from many friends, and believe me, the reviews are only rave. Baking soda, scientifically known as sodium bicarbonate, is a versatile compound with a wide range of applications. Here's some information about baking soda. Baking soda is a leavening agent that helps dough rise in baking. It reacts with acid ingredients to produce carbon dioxide, creating a light and fluffy texture in baked goods. Known for its mild abrasive properties, baking soda is an effective and eco-friendly cleaner. It can be used to scrub surfaces, deodorize carpets, and even unclog drains. Baking soda is used in toothpaste and mouthwash for its teeth whitening and breath-freshening properties. It can be incorporated into facial scrub and mask for gentle exfoliation. A paste of baking soda and water can soothe irritation from insect bites. Baking soda can act as an antacid to neutralize stomach acid and alleviate heartburn. Baking soda absorbs odors, making it a popular choice for neutralizing smells in refrigerators, shoes, and carpets. Baking soda is considered environmentally friendly due to its non-toxic nature and minimal impact on the ecosystem. Recent research suggests that baking soda may be useful in the treatment of rheumatoid arthritis. Pain, swelling, stiffness, and even the inability of joint to move may be symptoms of rheumatoid arthritis, an inflammatory disease that attacks the body's joints. According to research published in 2018, baking soda can contribute to an anti-inflammatory environment. In the experiment, both humans and animals drank a solution of baking soda mixed with water.